Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Keep reminders for timely follow-ups. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Google Keep reminders for timely follow-ups, start by opening the Google Keep app on your device. If you are using a computer, go to the Google Keep website. Once you're in the app, select a note or create a new one by clicking on the Take a Note field. In your note, type the task or information you want to remember. To add a reminder, look for the bell icon at the bottom of the note. Click on the bell icon to open the Reminders menu. You will see options to set the reminder for a specific date and time. Select Pick a date and time to set the desired parameters. Choose the date from the calendar that appears. Next, pick the specific time for your reminder. Once you have set the date and time, click Save or Done. You can also add a location reminder by selecting Pick a place from the Reminders menu. If you want to receive notifications when you're at that location, choose your preferred place. After setting your reminder, look for the confirmation that it has been activated. Your note will now reflect the reminder setting with the bell icon highlighted. To view all reminders, click on the Reminders button on the left sidebar or menu. You can edit or delete reminders at any point by reopening the note and accessing the bell icon. Make sure your notification settings for Google Keep are enabled in your device settings. This ensures you receive timely alerts for your reminders. Now you are all set to use Google Keep reminders for efficient follow-ups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.